you installing a shower head and replacing your shower arm, you gotta watch out for these things. Some of these products are made terribly. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about three things. One, the one thing that scares me the most is, well, I bought this on Amazon. It's like the best seller of its type, this high-rise shower arm. It uses the wrong thread. I have 1/2" NPT thread gauge. Should thread on multiple times. Look, I could barely get a full turn on it. That's not gonna seat in your wall well, right? You're gonna have a leak, right? Look at our product, right? This is how it should look. See how many times I was able to just freely spin that on? That's because it's a tapered thread. So if you're buying this thing on Amazon, you gotta be careful. Number two, look at the thickness of the pipes. This is our pipe. This is from a big box store, right? I'm actually gonna show you what that looks like in terms of millimeters of thickness, right? So you'd see ours right there, okay? Let's look at the big box store. It's like half. It's like half the thickness, right? This side is going in your wall. You have to crank this thing down. The worst thing would be if this thread broke off in your wall. And then the last thing that really just irks me is like this flange that goes on the bottom of your shower arm, right? Is always overlooked, right? Look at this thing from a big box store. It's like tin foil. Ours, solid, built to last. So if you're gonna be changing this out, you make sure that you buy the one that has the right specs, that's thick, because you put this in the wall once, you never have to worry about it again. You go with something like this, you're gonna have a plumber at your house cleaning up a massive leak.